Students, how are you all? I hope you'll be fine. So I am Kashish Khan, studying in 8th standard, and today once again I am back with another topic of mathematics, and of course that is from class 10th maths and CRD chapter number 4, real number, exercise 1.2. So in exercise 1.2 we are going to solve question number 3rd, first and second questions. So in question number 3rd there are 3 kind of questions, but in this video we will solve only 2 questions. In my next video we will solve the rest of the questions. So now let us move to the question. So what is our question? Find the LCM and SCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. What we have to do? First of all, we will find the LCM and the SCF. By which method? By prime factorization method. So let's start. So first LCM let us find. What are our number? 12, 15, 21. Okay, so LCM. We know how to find the LCM by prime factorization method. By which number? First of all, it can be cancelled. Let us take 2. 2, 6 are 12, and 15 as it is will write, because 15 can be cancelled by 2 and 21. Now again this 6 can be cancelled by 2. So 2 3 is 6 and 15 as it is and 21. Now by which number? Now by 3 let us try. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15 and 3 7s are 21. Now by which number? Of course by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5 and 7 as it is, because it can be divisible. Now by 7, 7 1s are 7, 1 and 1. Okay. So now we can write that LCM equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. So now let us multiply it. So 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12, 5s are 60, 7s are 420. Okay, so finally what is our LCM? That is 420. Now let us move to its SCF. Okay, so we'll find its SCF. So let me erase it. We have to solve the next question. SCF. Okay, so okay, now let us see what we have to find. We have to find the SCF. So 12 here we'll write. Now by which number it can be divisible? That is 2, smallest number. 2, 6 are 12, 2, 3 is 6, and finally 3 1s are 3. Okay, now let us move to 15. Okay, so 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. Now by which number? 21. 21. So that is 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. Now what we have to do? Let us write it here. 12 equals to, what is the product of 12? That is 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, now of 15. So 15 equals to 3 into 5. Okay, now of 21. 3 into 7. Okay, now what we'll do? Let us check the common in this. Find the common. So that is 3. So our SCF equals to 3. Okay, so what is our LCM? 420 and SCF equals to 3. Okay, now let us move to next question. That is 17, 23 and 29. So for solving the next question, I have to rub it. So let me rub it. Okay. So fun is coming to solve this question, of course. Now what is our, this first question is done. Now let us move to second question. Now 17, 23. So first of all we'll find the LCM of 17, 23 and 29. Okay, so all these 3 numbers are prime numbers, and what we understand by prime numbers means that a number which can be divisible only by 1 and itself. Okay, so 17, 23 and 29 are prime numbers. So what we can do, that 17 1s are 17, 23 as it is, 29 as it is. Now by which number we'll divide? 23. So 1, 1 and 29 as it is. Now finally by 29. Okay, so what we will write, that LCM equals to 17 into 23 into 29. Okay, so we'll multiply it. So let us multiply it here. Okay, so 7 3s are 21, 2 carries, 7 2s are 14, 2 16, 1 into 3, 3 1 into 2, 2. So 1, 6 3 9 and 3. 361. Now let us multiply 391 into 29. 9 ones are 9, 9 nines are 81, 1 8 carry, 9 threes are 27, 27 plus 8, 27 plus 8, 8 7, 15 and 3, 35. Okay, so here we write 35. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 1 carry, 2 threes are 6, 1 7. So 9, 3, 8 5, 13 and 11. So what we got? Here let me erase, otherwise you will be confused. Okay, so our number is 11,339. Okay, so our LCM is 11,339. Okay, now what we have to find? We have to find the SCF of these number. Okay, SCF of these number, let me erase it. Okay, so first of all, as we know that 17 is prime number, so by 17 only it can be divisible. Now 23 is also prime number, so by 23 it will be divisible one time. Now 29 is also prime number, so only 29, by 29 will be divisible. So what we got, that we can write 17 equals to 17, 23 equals to 23 and 29 equals to 29. Means its product is 17, 23 and 29. Now what we can see, that here no numbers is common, so we can say that if no number is common, so we can say that SCF equals to 1. So what is our LCM of these numbers? 17, 23 and 29. LCM is 11,339 and SCF is 1. Okay, so finally our question number 3rd, 1st and 2nd part are solved, and now let us meet in my next video. Thanks for watching the video.